All right, so we go with the Corporate Air Championships, where defending champions Kingston College and Immaculate Conception High were the respective boys and girls leaders at sports time on the opening day of the two-day meet being held this at the Ashanine Stadium at Jamaica College. Kingston College were leading the boys section with 118 points ahead of Jamaica College 104, Calabar 57, Excelsior 35, and Woolmer's boys 18 points, rounding out the top 5 schools so far. Immaculate were ahead on the girls' side with 135 points. They are followed by defending champions Excelsior High 105, Convent of Mercy Alpha Academy 98.33, Woolmer's girls 79.5, and Merle Grove 59 points, rounding out the top 5. Meanwhile, one record was broken up to sports time on the opening day, with Immaculate's Zawel Jamal setting a new mark of 42.09 meters in the girls' javelin throw open to win the event.